Paper and Glam family, and if you are new to Paper and Glam, I'm Lisamarie, and I'm so excited that you're here. Today we are going to be debuting our January Planner Kit. So we're going to be walking through the 3 subscription options one by one, so you can choose which one is best for your planner and your lifestyle. And if you are a current Paper and Glam subscriber, you get a sneak peek of the January kit before it arrives in hot pink at your door. Let's get to it. Okay, here she is in all of her glory, the January Planner collection. We're gonna go through tier by tier. So there's 3 subscription options. We call them tiers in Paper and Glam land. So we're gonna start with the first one, which is the Glam Monthly tier. Every subscription and every Paper and Glam order comes with a fun planner dashboard, which will just fit perfectly in your Paper and Glam planner in the front. And it's a seasonal scene on the front, and then it comes with a little letter from me with some seasonal memories that I like to create each month. And then we get to the planner kit. Let's unwrap the joy. We always do coordinating washi too. We're all about the details at Paper and Glam. Okay, so the first thing is our seasonal living list. And this is really the backbone of Paper and Glam. We sell our seasonal living lists separately. They're printed in our planners, and the whole planner kit revolves around this list of seasonal celebrations. So the first sheet is a sticker set. It has a big January sticker here. This is so cute for listing things out or just decorating your planner. And we have celebration stickers here that match each of the seasonal celebrations. Next, we have a sheet of stickers that has small icons as well as words. So if you don't want to write in your planner, we have fun words here that if you're reading or you're journaling, you can use these to decorate, and they just pair beautifully with the seasonal icons. Next, we have our weekend banner sheet. So we have 4 different seasonal weekend banners here, as well as day banners on the right, and then coffee and tea kettle and TGIF, and some cute little eyelashes if you're getting glammed up. And I just love this sweater weekend banner. This next one is fun if you're out and about on the weekend or you're going on a winter adventure. We have a books weekend banner, and then this adorable snowflake cookie and latte cup banner. These are so fun for us to dream up and design. We've got shopping bags if you're making a shopping trip, snowman coffee that's inspired by the Williams-Sonoma snowman, marshmallow little floaters, I don't know what to call them, but they're like these marshmallows with snowman faces. They're so cute. And then we got snowman pancakes, candles, and these adorable Ugg boots. Next, we have a sheet that's really fun for list making. These snowflakes are designed to check off your seasonal living list. And then we have flags and then scallop checklists and snowflakes and teacups for making to-do lists or just lists in general. I love to use these flags to block out time in my hourly planner. And then we have these gorgeous seasonal scenes. These scenes are really the backbone of their kit and what we put so much heart into. So I'm going to go through these kind of one by one. The first one is always Hello January or Hello February, whatever month it is. The second one is New Year Planner Setup. So you see you've got your January dashboard here all lined up. It's inside the planner. Can you guys see that? I have so much fun putting planners inside of planners inside of planners. It's very Inception, right? And we have your January seasonal living list, your book club planner kit, there's your January reads, and of course you're shopping on Paper and Glam. So then we have the January mani. We like to do a manicure for every month of the year, and so red is for December and blue is for January, and they're just fun suggestions, and we as a community like to share our manicures on our seasonal living group. Then we have our New Year reading list here. We've got a cute little tea shot. This is winter white floral. I love to do white flowers for January because it just reminds me that it's a new chapter, it's a new year, all things are possible. We have candles here, a little couch scene maybe for decorating your home or organizing your home, a bubble bath scene for bubble bath day. You know, it's snowing outside and there's bubbles. I love it. And then we have snowman pancakes, and this is for organize your home day. I mean, look how fabulous this closet is. We got a snowman pizza, and then winter movie night. We have a little nod to Frozen here. And then a cute little fireplace scene for just a little couch sesh, Handwriting Day, Martin Luther King Day, a little winter adventure, and then it says warm up at the Cocoa Bar for Hot Chocolate Day on January 31st. Next we have our seasonal extra. So this is Glam Winter for January. So we've got Ugg boots and more pillows and purses and soup and football jerseys that say Team Glam because it's playoffs. And then we have more seasonal scenes here. We have this gorgeous triple box that matches with our headers, which we'll go through in just a minute, but you see how that lines up and it's just beautifully coordinating. We've got a Paper and Glam mug, a little nod to our January read for our book club, Inner Outer. I always mess up this title. I had to say it a few times when we recorded the book club video. Inner Order, Outer Calm. We have a cute little heart snowball there, another reading scene, and cookies, and then an office scene. This office scene is so fun. It says, no coffee, no worky. And that is our January Planner Kit. Our second tier is our All the Glam subscription, and it comes with the January Planner Kit, plus our headers and basics. So we're gonna go through headers and basics next. So these headers are just fabulous. They're gold foil and oh my goodness, the camera does not even do them justice. So our headers pack comes with 6 sheets, 4 of which are gold foil. So the first 2 are the monthly headers, and this one fits perfectly on our Luxe planner, Erin Condren planners, Happy planners, and then this smaller one fits perfectly on all of the Paper and Glam planners, as well as any A5 planner. So they're exactly the same. You can choose which one works for you. And then we have these beautiful gold foil date dots. And this scene is a fun ice skating scene with a snowman and a sled. And this gold foil, I hope it's coming out. You can see all of the little flecks of gold in the sky. You see this lodge with all the flecks of snow. And then the second page here connects. So you'll see you'll put this in your planner right like this. So these girls' feet will go right underneath and you'll just have this beautiful seasonal scene in your monthly layout. All right, the next 3 pages. First we have our Seasonal Glam Monthly, and this is designed for your monthly layout, but it fits beautifully on the weekly. It has gold foil celebrations that match our seasonal living list. So these are in words, each of the celebrations. And then we have flags for marking important days, and then big flags here, and some boxes which you can layer or just write on. Next we have our day headers, and these are gold foil, and they say today, to do, this week, and also tonight. So those are beautiful for layering on our box stickers, for making lists, whatever you would like. And then we have some scalloped and solid color headers here, and that's our headers kit. Next we have our basic stickers, and these coordinate perfectly with beautiful seasonal patterns. We have these half boxes here. We have quarter boxes. These are perfect for writing in all of your appointments, layering with the stickers in the monthly planner kit. And we have more professional looking half boxes here. And then we've got full boxes and flags. Next, we have the Ultimate Glam subscription, and this is for the ultimate Paper and Glam experience. So it includes the planner kit, the headers, basics, and then our core stickers. And we just gave our core stickers a huge update. They are even more beautiful. So let's unpack them. So each sheet, and there's 6, has a different theme. So Glam About Town is for glamming about town, doing all of your errands. So we have sunglasses and coffee, cars, market bags, mailbox, dinner plans, marquees for like seeing a movie or some sort of concert or show. We have credit cards for bills, purses, all the things for being out and about, including little Target symbols. Then we have Everyday Glam. These are for things that you may do every day in your home. So beauty masks for getting some rest or a nap, coffee and tea, remotes and books, flowers and candles, journals. Then we have Glamazon boxes and Paper and Glam mailers, and then high heels, and then just like a fun stack of magazines and coffee. Next we have Glam Office for all of your office needs. We've got little alarm bells for things that are due, phones for meetings or calls, money and pens, keyboards. I like to use these when I need to write things like monthly dashboards or important emails. We have email down here because I spend a lot of time doing email and connecting with all of you. We've got laptops. We have washi and planners, and then stickers that say planning, work mode, and then a cute little work desk. Then we have gym, right? January is gym season. So we've got lots of weights and sports bras, shorts, and duffel bags, outfits for the gym, and then these cute little workout banners are so adorable. And then scales if you're someone that weighs in. Then we have Glam Home, which is all the things for your dream home keeping. So we have washers and dryers, beds, cute little houses. We have meal plan and meal prep. We've got aprons, pots and crock pots, dishes and little spray bottles for cleaning. We've got trash cans and recycle. This feather duster is so cute. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. And then vacuums and then laundry banners. And then we have glam plans. So I love these paper clips. How cute are those? These are just for list making or things you don't want to forget. And that is our core glam set. All right, those were our 3 planner kit subscriptions. If you're new to Paper and Glam, I hope you know which planner subscription is right for you. And if you are an existing subscriber, then you got a sneak peek of our January collection before it arrives at your door in hot pink. So if you are new to our subscriptions, I just want to talk real briefly about how it works. So it's really simple. Your first month will always be the one shown at checkout, so January, and then your next order will be on the 8th. So your next order would be January 8th for the February planner kit, and then it'll be February 8th for the March planner kit, so on and so forth. And we ship all of our kits out by the 15th. So January would ship by December 15th, February would ship by January 15th, and on it goes. And we have everything we need to plan for each month of the year. So I think that's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging with me and stopping by to check out the new collection. In the next video, we're going to be playing with the January planner kit. The next video is 2020 planner setup. So go grab your stickers, and then we are going to be setting up our planners for the new decade together next. Thank you guys so much for spending a piece of your day with me. You guys coming to our planner party means the world to me, and thank you for all you do to support Paper and Glam and what we do here and the heart behind it. Until next time, sisters, Merry Christmas.